Hello everyone! Today we have an overview of Fanuc controller. How does it works? How to handle it in terms of operations? What is the various option does Fanuc offers? Start with position screen. You can switch it with position hard key, which would be available in the keyboard. Here you will get the number of axes as you can see in this picture, such as X, Y, Z, and B. Second, you can see all position like machine position, absolute position, relative position, and distance to go. You can see active modal codes like G codes G90, G80, G40, and many more. You can also get information about the active tool number and H number. Addition to this, you will get the spindle speed, spindle load, and feed rate. In relation to program, you can get information about active program number, sequence number, and machining mode like roughing, semi-finish, and finishing. In terms of production monitor, you will get parts count and cycle time. Now come to the program folder screen. Here you can edit the existing file, creation of new file, file copy /move /delete. That symbol is highlighted on O1234 program, which means that this is the main program. You can also check the used and free CNC memory in your machine. If you further switch between toggle keys, you will get the device selection screen. Here you can select the required device like USB, Ethernet, CF card, and data server. Additionally, you can select the DNC screen where you can see programs which are selected for automated operation. With the help of DNC Select button, you can add the program into DNC list. Now come to the next screen. Here you can be able to track the current running NC block and upcoming block as well. This is the best possible screen to prove any development program. It is also used for dry run, which means when you want to check the program simulation with movement with high feed rate. Now coming to check screen, this is the most important screen during machining program. Here you can see the actual programming blocks with all positions and distance to go. Here is the tool offset page where you can find the tool length wear, tool radius, and tool radius wear. It is all about the tool which you are using for machining. The note which shown in image is your offset number, also called H number. Now select the work offset page. Work offset define the actual position of your component from the machine position with respect to each axis. There are total 6 numbers of different work offset can be used as standard. You can also see an EXT offset in starting, which is mainly used for the compensation. If you press page down button, addition work offset screen appears where you will get addition 48 numbers of work offset. These work offset is identified with G54.1 P1 to P48. Here is the settings screen, which also available in offset page. If you want change any parameter from the machine, this is like permission which we have to allow by making 1 in parameter right. Addition to this, you can switch between mm or inch, and you can also select the external device which are currently being used, such as if you are using USB, then the I/O channel would be 17. For CF card, it would be 4. For data server, it would be 5. If you further go down with page down button, you will get the option to change the date and time. Information about the part count and cycle time. Come to the tool life screen. Here you can define the cutter life with part count. Here is the parameter screen, all about machine parameters which define the machine configuration. You can select the parameter screen via system key in the keyboard. In this parameter number with the bit setting displays, each bit having their own function. Come to the Ethernet screen. You can select the screen by pressing system, hard key, then press plus button until you find the Ethernet setting. If you want to transfer the NC program via LAN, you must set the IP address here. You will get the machine IP under common setting. Next is the macro screen. This is the screen where you can see the value of each macro variable which are used in program. There are 3 types of variables which are local variable, common variable, and system variable. The local variable is from 1 to 33 and they are non-holding types, which means if you press the reset button or power off the machine, the value will get erased, and they can read and write the value by user. There are commonly used in custom macro programming, which is called by G65. You can switch between variable with the help of page down key. Common variable is from 100 to 199 and 500 to 999. These are also called holding type variable and used to store the data. We can read and write the value in those variables. Next to 999 number variables are all system variable. Come to the PMC screen, this screen mostly used via Machine Tool Builder. This screen is used to diagnose the input-output signals, IDing the PLC logic, keep relay, and many more. Move further to Alarm screen. Here you can see the history of alarm which are triggered in past days. The alarm number shows the type of alarm such as drive alarm or NC alarm. Coming to the Operation History screen, here you can find the recent button presses by the operator. This screen is also used to find the cause of accident via the history of operation keys. Come to the Program screen, which shows the program editor, program number, and selection of foreground and background. For today, we have discussed about the handling of Fanuc controller and its features. If you have any doubt any of these screens, or if you want addition details regarding any feature, please mention in the comment. Please share this video with the beginner who is new in the manufacturing field. Thank you and subscribe for more videos related to CNC machine.